I love reading. It's why I'm connected to Simbi. It's why I'm a teacher. It's why I go around the world and talk to teachers about literacy. It's a passion of mine, and because of that, I want to spread the love of reading with everybody that I encounter. So this is about helping bring that love of reading and love of books into your home. So today I'm going to just talk to you a little bit about what phonological awareness is and how we can start building a foundation of readers in our home with just our young children. I'd like to talk about what does it mean to be a proficient reader. What's the difference between code and comprehension when it comes to learning to read? And then I'll end with just some tips for you as you read at home with your child.